Hey folks, today I'm diving into a topic that's been buzzing in political circles lately. Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa has taken the reins of the Southern African Development Community, or SADC, but not everyone is thrilled about it. Let's break down why Mnangagwa's new role might be troubling for the SADC bloc. So, Mnangagwa recently assumed the chairmanship at the 44th SADC summit in Harare. He took over from Angolan President João Lourenço, and Tanzanian President Samia Suluhu Hassan stepped in as chairperson of the SADC Troika on politics, defense and security cooperation. Sounds like a big deal, right? It is. The summit was packed with big promises and ambitious goals. The theme was promoting innovation to unlock opportunities for sustainable economic growth and development towards an industrialized SADC. Mnangagwa's leadership is expected to steer the bloc towards economic transformation and regional integration. But here's the kicker. Critics aren't buying it. Why? Well, Mnangagwa's past is complicated. He's been under fire for his controversial leadership style and allegations of human rights abuses in Zimbabwe. Critics argue that if he can't run his own country effectively, how can he be trusted with the fate of 16 member states? But let's look at his vision for SADC. Mnangagwa has outlined a focus on economic transformation and regional integration. He's calling for innovative strategies to boost development, an end to the war in Palestine, and independence for Western Sahara. Lofty goals, for sure. The summit itself highlighted key events like the 7th SADC Industrialization Week and various investment conferences. Mnangagwa emphasized partnerships, technology and education to empower youth and tackle climate change. He's urging investment in renewable energy and addressing poverty, gender equality and healthcare. Sounds promising, right? But the shadow of his controversial past looms large. Critics are skeptical. They question his commitment to democracy and human rights. There are fears that Mnangagwa's leadership could lead to more harm than good. His ability to unite the bloc towards a common goal is under intense scrutiny. Despite the concerns, some hold out hope. Mnangagwa's focus on economic development and sustainable growth offers a glimmer of optimism. But the real test will be in his actions. Can he deliver on his promises, or will his past overshadow his future? Only time will tell. In the meantime, the world is watching closely. Mnangagwa's chairmanship of SADC could either be a turning point for the region or a step backward. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor this unfolding story. What do you think? Is Mnangagwa the right leader for SADC, or is the bloc heading for trouble? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and ring that bell for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.